Hi friends, this is Ganesh Naik. A lot of students who go for CFA examination, they make a very brutal mistake that they kind of don't tackle the ethics book very seriously and without any strategy. And that is why they kind of get failed in the exam because of the ethics marks. Okay? And ethics as a subject, it is the highest weightage point in your exam curriculum, and also the questions that you get in the exam is very tricky. Okay, if you read the book, if you're reading Swagger book or if you're reading institute book, the points which are being mentioned, okay, they are very straightforward specific points, certain recommendations, certain best practices that you have to follow as a candidate. But when you go for the exam question, okay, if say around there are 18 questions, 3 or 4 maximum will be straightforward question talking about those code or those principles, but the rest of the questions are going to be specific to the scenario. So you'll have to read the scenario, understand whether the step taken by the candidate or whether the step taken by the person in the question is correct or not. Is there been a violation or not? So how should you tackle these kind of questions? Because by reading, you'll never get a hold of the ethics book. So a very easy strategy, which I also suggest to a lot of students, is that read the ethics book twice, okay, with a gap of around 10-15 days, okay, and 3 months before your exam. For example, if you're having an exam in May, so from 1st of Feb, start solving 4 to 5 questions, okay, of the ethics book each single day. Now, where you will get the questions, okay? The first and the foremost source is the CFA Institute books itself and their library, which is there online. More or less the questions are same, and you can also approach for the Swagger questions. If you can get any other external material from outside, then that is also going to be beneficial. But the idea is that tackle the question each single day, 3 to 4 questions each single day. Why am I saying this? Because the more and more you are exposed to different varieties of ethics question, the probability of you choosing the right answer is going to increase, because most of the questions that you see in the ethic you can solve only with gut feeling. Okay, you might, because the questions are very subjective, you might choose the right answer sometime, you might not choose. So the more and more you solve, and you solve over a period of time, then your ability to choose the right answer becomes very high. That is why my suggestion is very simple. Spread the solving across 2-3 months. Solve every single day 3-4 questions depending upon the time that you are availability you have, but spread it across 2-3 months. Okay, and also simultaneously in between you can read the textbook, which wherever you are reading the textbook in between, just for a reference point, but spread it over a period of time. I hope this strategy would be helpful for a lot of students who are going for the next May 2023 exam also, and tackle ethics in a structured manner, because this book is very important for your exam result. So do not miss it and do not screw it. Okay, thank you very much, guys.